discussion is on Gopal and Halsa fish. Summary. It was the season for halsa fish. The fishermen caught a lot of them. They sold them in the market. The prices they said were down. This news was discussed by all the households. They were amazed that the fish came to such a low price. In the palace, also the courtiers discussed the matter. A courtier showed the king a big fish he had caught. The king lost his temper. The courtier became silent and sad. The king realized his mistake. He told that even Gopal couldn't stop anyone from talking about Halsa. Gopal protested. He said he could do that. The king then challenged him to bring a big fish to the palace without anyone asking a word about it. Since Gopal accepted the challenge, he started working accordingly. He became half shaven and covered himself with ash. When his wife asked him the reason about his peculiar look, he said that he was dressing up to buy a halsa fish. His wife thought he had gone mad. Gopal brought the halsa and started walking towards the palace. A child cried that the man was comical. Another called him a madman. The third mistook him for a mistake. But no one talked about the fish. Gopal reached the court. He told the guards that he wanted to see the king. They didn't allow him to enter. Gopal began dancing and crying loudly. They reported the matter to the king. The king ordered to bring him to the court. Gopal introduced himself before the king. The king asked him why he was dressed up in that fashion. Gopal explained that when he was coming to the palace, not a single man spoke about halsa fish. Everyone got attracted towards his peculiar look. They didn't mind the fish. The king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. He congratulated Gopal on his achieving the impossible. Important questions. Question 1. Why did the king want no more talk about the halsa fish? The king did not want more talks about the halsa fish because he had become fed up of talks. Everyone in the court, in the market, as well as all the people of the city talking about halsa fish. Question 2. What did the king ask Gopal to do to provide that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to buy halsa fish and bring it to the court without letting anyone talk a single word about the halsa fish throughout the way. Question 3. What 3 things Gopal do before he went to buy his halsa fish? Gopal half shaved his beard, shimmered his face with ash, and wrote dirty rags before he went to buy his halsa fish. Question 4. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had brought the fish? Gopal asked the courtiers to let him meet the king. But when he refused, he started dancing and singing loudly. On hearing his song, the king sent his messenger to call him in. Question 5. Explained how no one seemed to be interested in talking about the halsa fish which Gopal had brought. Gopal had accepted the challenge of bringing the halsa fish to the without letting anyone talk about it. He half shaved his beard, shimmered his face with ash, and wore ragged clothes to buy halsa fish. Everyone on the way talked about him and his funny look, and nobody saw halsa fish in his hand. At that moment, he was more interesting topic to talk about than the halsa fish. Thank you.